don't even think. Then put your mind at ease right at the center of your body. And that's it. It's so easy. First comes a light, then comes a star that's super bright. Sister stars, brother stars, mother stars, father stars, and even nephew stars. They all come out for you to see. And that's the door to your destiny. There's a place on earth, a place of destiny, a place of happiness, a place of peacefulness. You don't have to go too far, 'cause right here where you are, all you have to do is close your eyes, you'll see.
Hi, everyone, and hello to all our shining stars out there. Welcome to our Shining Stars program hosted by Kids Love Peace 20.
Hi everyone, I'm Nolan. I am a fifth grader from California. Thank you and welcome to our weekly Shining Stars program.
Hi everyone, this is Trang. Warm welcome from Southern California.
And me, Nina, also from Southern California. We would like to welcome one and all to our weekly Monday evening stream of Shining Stars program from 6 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time on Facebook and YouTube of Kids Love Peace 20, where you can also participate with us via Zoom, meeting ID 923-6941-4137, passcode 072. Together with Nalin, Trang, and I will be your host this evening.
Thank you, Nina. So our Shining Star program aims to reinforce the outstanding creative actions and positive thinking in kids and their everyday life. Positive encouragement creates a motivational environment for both children and adults to continue doing their best, being their best, and warmly sharing these moments of joy in acknowledging
and bringing to the forefront all the good deeds and actions done over the past week to inspire creativity, praise their achievements, and promote their incredible performances and help each other feel good and proud of oneself's actions and thoughts.
Yes, so we also include 10 minutes guided meditation at the end, where the benefits of evening meditation lead to a great night's sleep and mental clarity to prepare you for the excitement of a new day.
Parents and friends, help us spread the word around by sharing Shining Stars to your friends and family. Leave us a comment at any time in the comment box. During the program, type over a hi so we could see who joins us this evening.
We love your interaction. As Nalin said, share your comments with us in the comment box just below the screen. So without further ado, Nalin, what do we have for this evening?
Tonight's theme is Nature's Beauty Appreciation.
Nice. I definitely love the beauty of nature. I believe beauty of the nature makes us more relaxed and calm us easily.
I agree. In a moment, we will explore a tropical garden with Miss TP1.
Kids, let's observe what we find in this garden. Use your senses. Use your eyes and ears to feel the moment. Be present in the moment. We will take a tour together by watching the video.
So being in the garden, which is a part of nature, makes me feel at peace. So while you are watching the video, we have one question to challenge you. What is the name of the pink aquatic flower? All right.
So sit back and relax. Let's observe together.
Hello, my lovely plumbago, my favorite blue flowers, and my pink periwinkles as well as rose mosses. And what sound is that? A waterfall? No, because we are at the dry stream made of stones. Welcome everybody to my Santo garden. Today we are going to explore the flowers around my dry rock stream. My garden is a tropical garden in Bangkok and we are in the summer here. As you heard, there are so many birds around here because they love a nice garden with lots of flowers and trees. Here in the big clay pot, there is a blooming pink flower. Do you know what it's called? This wonderful aquatic flower with long stem in the water emerges through mud to bloom over the water. It's so beautiful. And lastly, we will leave you with these blooms of these lovely pink rain lilies. And I'll see you next time. Goodbye.
Wow. Thank you, Miss Tipawan, for bringing us to explore a tropical garden. It's a beautiful garden full of colorful flowers and bird sounds.
Yes. So kids joining us tonight, what did you feel from this tropical garden? Did you know what the pink flower in the a big clay pot is called? So please type away into the comment box so that we can share.
I like the sounds of birds. It makes me think about early morning fresh air and peace. So going back to Tring's question earlier, can we answer our friends about the name of the pink aquatic flower in the big clay pot?
Yes, in just a moment. I just want to say I have a great appreciation for nature. Bird sounds, colorful flowers, and green leaves make me feel relaxed, decreases stress, and feel serenity. Okay, so to answer the question, the name of the pink flower is the lotus. It's rare to see lotus flowers in our area. It is great to have a huge space to go out and plant one. However, if you don't have a big yard for a garden, you may have a corner in your room that might make a nice mini garden.
Great idea, Nina. So I would want to have a mini garden as well, since I don't have a lot of room in at my place. And yes, nature beauty keeps us kind, relaxed, feeling alive and calm. So appreciating the nature's beauty before practicing meditation helps calm our mind easily and fast. So when we meditate, we will have good experience. And now to our guided meditation. Joe Notakon will lead us tonight. So please welcome Joe.
Thank you, Trong. Hello, Nina. Hi, Nalan. And hello, kids. Hello, everybody. Check out my garden. I have every flower in there. So one thing that Trong said is very true. And that is you can do meditation anywhere. All right, kids? You can do it outside. I actually do it in my garden outside of my house around 10 to 11 or 11 to noon. And so just imagine yourself. So if you just close your eyes slowly, gently close your eyes, and just taking a 3 deep breaths. And while you're at that, just imagine yourself in this beautiful garden. It can be in Tipawan's garden. It's your garden at home or a garden that you have been to before, or one that you've seen in a magazine or a picture. And when you're at that garden, just imagine the sounds that you hear. The warmth of the sun shining down upon you, the clear air, and breathing in the crisp and clean air. And that is how we start our meditation. The point when we meditate, we keep our back straight. We take a deep breath, breathing in all of these beautiful things, and just imagine out in the garden where we might see a shining light or a crystal ball coming out from the center of us around our belly button. And what I love best about this is when I take a deep breath in, I hear the words Sama inside my head. And then I hear the words Arahang as I breathe out. So let's give it a try. You give it a try with 3 deep breaths. That's right. Some of you may see the light, some of you may not, and it's okay. Don't worry about seeing or envisioning anything. Don't let that faze you. Just simply imagine the feeling of being centered. That's all. Every time you take a deep breath in, as you breathe out, feel yourself just being grounded, grounded in your space, grounded in your garden. Where you feel yourself so heavy that from the waist down, it feels like a block of steel, grounding you and keeping your whole body steady as your eyes are gently closed. And when we are in this really calm mind, sometimes you might see an image, you might have a thought, a feeling, an emotion, a sensation. Just let it pass by as if it were a light or a bird with wings in your garden, flying away like a butterfly. Last time I spoke about the meaning of Samma and Arahang. Tonight I just want to share a little story where all of this came from, and you can choose to just listen to the sound of my voice and let it go to the background as you keep your eyes, as you keep your focus on in front of you and that shining light. Meditation is a part of what we call the threefold way, where the threefold way is a part of the Four Noble Truths. So under the umbrella of Four Noble Truths, where the first truth is all life is imperfect and involves suffering. The second one is the cause of suffering is desire. The third truth, suffering can end. And the fourth is a threefold way, which is what we are on. Understanding the threefold way. What are the three folds? The first one is ethics. The second is meditation. And the third is wisdom. Behaving correctly, speaking correctly, living our livelihood, living an honest life. Those are under ethics. Being mindful, aware of yourself and others, what you're doing today. Putting in the efforts on what is right, concentrating on what is right. That is how meditation will help you. Through your studies, through what you do every day, enjoying, playing, learning how to ride a bike, how to skateboard, how to play the piano, everything that you do. And then comes wisdom. Knowing what is right, understanding, and doing things with good intentions. And when you have all of that, you nailed it. You guys got it, and you guys are doing wonderfully. The Four Noble Truths, the Threefold Way, and the Noble Eightfold Path. There's actually something really interesting in all of that. And those are the words, truth, way, and path. Truth is our goal. What do we want to achieve? What do you want to achieve? It's like the Emerald City. For those of you who have watched The Wizard of Oz, the Emerald City is our goal. Way, how do we get to your goal? How do we get to be the policeman you want to be? To study what you want to study? To be the doctor? We all need a way. And our way is like the yellow brick road. It's the education, it's the studying. And the path. The path is the actual trail that each of you are taking. To get home from the park, do you cut through your neighbor's lawn or do you walk on the sidewalk? To eat ice cream, what do we do in order to eat ice cream? Do we help mommy clean the house, help daddy clean the car? Or do we just say, I want to eat ice cream? That is the path that we follow. And all of this is in our beautiful garden. You can relate to it. And now as your mind is so calm and very relaxed, you can see into yourself. See your goals. See your path that you will take and see the way that you follow, knowing that you're all doing a wonderful job, kids. And as you see it in your mind, feel what you feel, see what you see, hear what you hear, and know this path that you take to reach your goal. And whenever you're ready, just take another deep breath in, breathing out slowly. And feel free to open your eyes, returning back to the here and now, knowing that all the information that you have, that you've obtained, is always going to be with you. Hi, Nina.
That was so great.
Welcome back.
Yeah.
So just a leaving parting message is, kids, you can do this anywhere, really anywhere. I do it in my room. Sometimes I go outside and I sit in my garden. I feel the sun shining down on me. I listen to Long Pa, and then I just meditate. So you can do it anywhere and just feel that relaxation and give it to yourself.
Yes, thank you, Joe. At first I had some thoughts coming by, but
Mhm.
then throughout your guided meditation, yeah, my mind started to calm, and I felt the sensation inside my stomach, center of my body.
Good.
I was enjoying, and it went by fast. I didn't want it to end so quickly. So thank you.
Yeah, a lot of my people tell me that too.
Yeah.
How are you doing, Nalin?
I feel really peaceful and calm.
Do you have any thoughts that came in?
A little bit.
Yeah, it's okay. It's very normal. It's very normal. That's what our mind does to us, and just push it aside. So thank you, everybody, for letting me join tonight. I do apologize for any inconveniences, but thank you. And I hope you all have a wonderful evening wherever you are.
Thank you so much again, Joe, for leading
Okay.
our meditation for tonight, and we'll probably see you next time. Have a great
Bye.
evening. Bye. Do you have any message for your friends, Nalin?
Friends, don't forget to meditate as often as you can each week.
And we will see you all again every Monday at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time on YouTube and Facebook on the Kids Love Peace 20 channel, and join our Zoom meeting, ID 923-6941-4137, passcode 072.
Don't forget, give us a like and subscribe below for support for our program.
Yes, and thank you again for joining us this evening. Have a wonderful kids week, guys. And until next Monday at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. All right. Bye, everyone, from Kids
It's
Love
love
Peace 20. All right. Bye. See you next time.
a peacefulness. You don't have to go too far, 'cause it's right here where you are. All you have to do is close your eyes, you'll see. Oh, it seems so strange, but soon you're gonna see. Many stars are bright, and that's not even the night. Anytime I close my eyes, shining stars come for me. I wish you'd come and see these shining stars with me. So close your eyes for a moment and stop what you're doing. Stop everything and don't even think. Then put your mind at ease right at the center of your body. And that's it. It's so easy. First comes a light, then comes a star that's super bright. Sister stars, brother stars, mother stars, father stars, and even nephew stars. They all come out for you to see. And that's the door to your destiny.